Have you ever built an iOS application from command line? This is a prerequisite step that is required for running any automation on command lines or executing automation tests on CI/CD pipelines like Bitbucket, Jenkins, or any of them. So let's try doing that. Also in today's session, let's discuss about the difference between .ipa and .f files and which one is used for device and which one is used for simulators. Let's jump on it.
Let's look at how to create an iOS application. So I'll open the Xcode. Xcode version is 14.1 and macOS version is Ventura 13.2.1. So let's create a new application. Test theme can be anything. Test me Swift. We have this application which is built. As you can see, it will launch and show hello world. We can use this application to write our further tests in Appium using JavaScript or using XCTEST and written in Swift. So in order to build the iOS application from command line, we need to get the help of xcodebuild command. I need to be in the test project directory in order to execute this command. Let us run the xcodebuild command and look at the different options that are provided by the command itself. I will be looking for the project option because what I'm using is not a workspace. Workspace are used for a bigger projects. .xcode project files are used for smaller projects or the simpler ones. So let's build that by mentioning the project name, and the first error I get is I need to select a development team. This error is usually seen when we usually build the application for device. In this case, we are building it for simulator, so we need to update the SDK option here. So I need to update my scheme, and also added the SDK iPhone simulator option to say that I'm building against the simulator. Look, my build has succeeded, and so now I need to identify where my build is present. When I do open dot from my current folder, it will open up the current folder in Finder. Let's go into derived data, test, build, products, debug iPhone simulator, and here I have my application which was just built. So now I need to also have an application which is already installed onto the iPhone simulator. I'll need to remove the application on the iPhone simulator before using the one I've just built. So our next question is, what's the difference between .ipa and .app file? .ipa is the iPhone application packaged and distributed for the sake of putting it onto the device, and that is used only for devices. .app file is the same code built to be used with simulator, and this doesn't need any provisioning profile or any of those profiles, so you can just build it without anything like you saw in the previous command. If you were to build the .ipa, you will need to mention the provisioning profile and the certificates that are needed for it to be exported, and then that has to be submitted to the App Store for distribution to the whole public world. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you.